Back like we never left. What is good, everybody? Today's video, your ex conveniently hopped into that new rebound relationship mighty fast, didn't they? Now you already know how I get down. I don't like to waste time and I'm ready to get into it. So let's do that right now. It's not that you lost some great partner who loved and adored you, made sacrifices and compromised or poured into you emotionally. Nah, it's the pure disrespect of acting the part. Coming home every day, talking about how they would try harder, seemed invested at times, while others disconnected as fuck and annoyed by your mere presence. To now, after the divorce or breakup, seemingly living a whole ass new life without a care in the fucking world with the new supply. But there's something you should know. This was never about you. This had nothing to do with that last argument. How many times they said you didn't put in enough effort, didn't show up for them, make time. Nah, this was about the need for external validation. This was about the lack of emotional maturity to express their emotions to you. This was about avoiding the tough conversation, making the necessary adult ass changes that came along with being in a committed and loving relationship. See, our lives are a culmination of choices, and one of the most powerful choices we make getting into a relationship is giving a fuck about somebody other than yourself. It's making adjustments to your schedule, making life easier for your partner, encouraging them to be better, supporting them through their own personal healing journey, and when you disagree, making them feel seen, heard, and understood, even though you have a difference of opinion and perspective. And question for you, did you have that with your ex? See, the thing we don't realize in real time is that there is nothing you can do to fill the void in their heart for nourishment only they can actually provide. The character you were in search of loyalty, commitment, transparency, and open communication wasn't something they had the capacity to receive or reciprocate back to you. Oh, and a new rebound? Oh, they don't know no damn better either. I'm sure your efforts were downplayed. You were talked about as if you never cared, gave them any intimacy, the time, or the attention that they felt they deserved. Because that's how this shit works. If they're in an unhappy relationship and make you out to be a terrible person, what does that garner from the new supply? Empathy and trust. That they're being vulnerable, right? And that's the goal, to seamlessly move on after the breakup so they don't have to heal. Don't have to take the time to be single and instead lean on that new rebound emotionally for all the things that they held on to you for. But that's not balance, growth, or living better without you, Lil Moccasin. That's a distraction, a lack of moral compass, and a deficient ass person without the empathy to give a fuck about anything or anyone other than themselves. And that's not success or peace. That's life full of deflection, devaluing and not addressing their own wounds. That's misery in its highest fucking form. To go from someone who would have given everything just to see them happy to someone they barely know who they'll likely do the same to in about 3, 2, 1. That's them trying to fill childhood wounds of never feeling enough. It's ignoring the grieving for their own losses and disregarding the trauma they might still be carrying and instead investing into relationship hopping so they can have somewhere that they can park their pain. And you already had enough of that shit during your relationship, right? Or nah? As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. If you're new to the channel, become official to the squad. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom. Become an official part of a team that will always push you towards personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video, but in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired, and as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.